I've seen a few video reviews on this kind of lens, but none that really use it in the real world like this. I honestly think these images get better as the video goes on. I'm not just saying that. We start with some 4s and 5s out of 10, but there are some absolute gems as the video goes on. This isn't sponsored. I've not been paid or sent this for free. I bought it to test out so that you don't have to. So please like this video so I can get monetized and start paying my bills with YouTube. In this video, there are some images where I've done a comparison between what the native iPhone camera pictures look like and what they look like with this telephoto lens on, so you can see the difference. I've only edited the telephoto lens images. I've not edited the regular ones because yuck. Please comment what you'd like to see more of in the future, mobile photography videos or any other videos. Some of the images are a bit out of focus, but I genuinely believe if I used a small tripod like the one in the thumbnail of this video and stabilized my hand a bit more, they could look a lot better. I do like the fact that it's not something that needs to be charged up or that takes a long time to set up, as shown in the beginning of this video. It also comes with a case, which is lovely. There is some warping around the edges, but In the Lightroom mobile app that I use to edit my photos, you can easily adjust it to look way more natural. The vignetting is also something I edited into the final images. Most of these images showed little to no vignetting that I could see. My final thoughts: it won't replace your 70 to 200 anytime soon, but for £31 it's definitely worth it, especially if you're a photographer that doesn't quite like the look of iPhone's native cameras zoomed in. Yeah, comment what you'd like to see more of in the future, mobile photography videos or anything else photography or videography related.